What's going on, YouTube? This is my first live, and I'm thrilled. I'm thrilled to be live and thrilled to be talking to you. And this video will be short, and just to test out the format and see how it works on YouTube, I've decided to share some technical trends, or technological rather trends, of 2018 and upcoming 2019. Throughout 2019, we at Genium saw some technological trends, and obviously mobile development has been a big one throughout the year, and we've done a lot of great products and projects in mobile. We've done great apps for both iOS and Android, and we've seen demand, and demand has been going up, and a lot of companies are updating their old versions of apps, and they're bringing new technologies and uh, keeping up and innovating, and we're helping them to innovate in this capacity. We've seen a lot of requests for Java and technologies and Swift. We've seen some Objective C technologies as well, and recently React Native started to pop up, and more people started to ask for React Native. And I think it's a great tool for prototyping and maybe for some complementary screens. I'm a big believer of native development on Swift and Android. And when it comes to server side, it's been all around Java, PHP, and JavaScript. JavaScript has been pretty popular all across, and more and more people starting to use microservices with Node.js, and that's been going well. When it comes to technology, and blockchain obviously was the biggest trend of the previous year and the year before that. Right now, the blockchain is kind of slowing down a little bit. I don't think it's gonna stay slow forever. This is a great technology, and I'm a truly I'm a believer in this technology myself, and we're building a Wally, a crypto wallet, releasing it pretty soon. We had some server side issues that we needed to address to scale, and we've done a great job at this. Now we're all ready to go full steam ahead. What I wanted to say is blockchain definitely going to continue being in demand, and as the prices will go higher, and I think they will. Eventually, there will be more and more demand for those technologies. When it comes to 2019, what we see is the mobile still in trend, and mobile trend is still going further up. A lot of big companies are catching up. They don't have great mobile apps, and a great mobile app gets updated almost monthly. If you look at Facebook updates their features every 2 weeks, and even more than that. I think they have the release cycle, a daily release cycle, and they have multiple teams across different categories, and they update and renovate new features almost every day. And companies starting to realize that they have to keep up with the big brands and the modern technologies, and to play catch-up game now. And they're investing more and more resources into mobile development and making sure their mobile apps are not lagging behind the Instagrams and Facebooks and Yelps and everything else. The trendy ones, the ones that are fighting for the attention. It's all about attention. It's about your user's attention. And better you have the product, then more attention you have. And attention is the most valuable asset right now in the economy. When one of the other trends that we are foreseeing for 2019 is data analytics, machine learning, and data scientists. And we've seen the demand, because right now companies, startups, and bigger companies, large companies, they have millions of sets of data, and they have to analyze it. They have to use machine learning, AI, and build tools to analyze it and monetize on that data. And therefore, they're spending resources on growing their teams, and that's how we help them. We're growing the machine learning teams and data analytic teams, and we're gearing up towards 2019 to fulfill this trend. think that machine learning, AI, and data analytics will be super big for 2019. And as well as augmented reality. As we're looking at computer vision experts, that's been in demand for 2018, and demand is growing higher. We've helped companies like Fit3D and BodyBlock AI to build their computer vision teams and expand their capabilities. And we see that other companies are reaching out, and the demand is growing. And for 2019, definitely we'll see the demand for computer vision and for augmented reality and virtual reality resources. So whether it's a mobile app or data scientists or neural network AIs and computer vision, we've got it all. And I'm really happy that we work with the best of the best at Genium, and we connect innovative companies with world-class experts. And I'm a true believer that if you work with smart people, you can get very good results. And that's what I've been doing for quite a while, and I really enjoy doing that. Personally, we've been on a journey to build the crypto wallet internally, using probably 1% of our resources to test it out, build it out, and have it as a foundation for future payment systems. We're releasing it soon, so stay tuned. I'll definitely post updates on Instagram. And oh my God, so I've got the meeting coming up, so I'm gonna take that. And thank you so much. And that concludes our broadcast.